Ever wondered how to turn your AI art into actual videos? I'll show you step by step. G'day legends, and welcome back. In our last videos, we crafted killer prompts and refined our images using in-painting and out-painting. Today, we're diving into the magic of AI video generation, turning those stunning Midjourney pics into living, breathing animation. AI video is evolving faster than a kangaroo on roller skates. There are a few ways to tackle video generation, like text to video. But today, we're focusing on the magic of image to video. We'll take those amazing still images we generated and use Kling AI to add the motion. There are many different AI video tools, but they generally work the same way. The basic idea is simple. You feed the AI your starting image and then tell it how you want it to move with a text prompt. Let's grab an image I generated in Midjourney of our stoic mate, Bounce, from Outback. We'll upload him into Kling AI for this example. Now, let's just hit generate and see what the AI comes up with. You get some subtle ambient motion, which can be cool, but the real power comes when we direct the action. Let's try giving it some direction. A simple prompt like, the camera rotates around the kangaroo getting closer to its face, while the kangaroo turns his head from left to right, scanning the location, the clouds in the background growing. What a difference! Just a few words and some camera direction. It's not Spielberg yet, but it's a good start. Okay, let's ramp it up. In this prompt there is much more detail, and you'll notice I've given it more than one camera movement. Most image-to-video tools let you get more specific in your prompts. You can describe character actions, camera movements, background elements, and much more. You're basically playing director in your own lunch hour. Once you generate these short clips, you can then stitch them together and refine them in your favorite video editing software. It takes experimentation, patience, and some good laughs at the epic fails. Let's watch a few of mine. Here are some quick rapid-fire tips. Start simple. Don't ask for complex actions right away. Be specific. Focus your prompt on what should move and how. Iterate. Your first result might not be perfect, so tweak your prompts. Know the limits. Current tech is amazing, but don't expect a feature film from one prompt. Be patient. Star Wars wasn't built in a day. So there you have it. A first look at turning your awesome AI images into moving pictures. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and keep an eye out for future videos. Till next time, legends.